Hello students, welcome to this computer class. In this class, I am going to discuss about the chapter 3 from page number 45 to page number 47. So first topic is radar chart. The radar chart plots data in concentric circle. Here you can see that each data series is plotted along a separate axis from the center point to the outer ring. Lines connected values from the same series. Next is stock chart. The stock chart generally helps in investors, stock companies and traders to analyze the fluctuation in stock price. The data for a stock chart may contains the stock name, stock insurance date, the volume of stock traded, the opening and closing price of stock, the highest and lowest price of stock. A sample stock chart worksheet is shown in this figure containing the highest, lowest and closing price of stock chart of different days. Here you can see that from this figure 3.14. This is the example of stock table, and with the help of this table, this is the stock chart. Next is 3D surface chart. The 3D surface chart creates a three-dimensional view of data. A topographic map is an example of this type of data. Here you can see that. This is the 3D surface chart. Next topic is creating a chart. So how to create chart? Now that we are familiar with the various type of chart in Excel 2013. So in Excel 2013 there are various types of chart: area chart, XY scatter chart, bubble chart, radar chart, stock chart, 3D chart, line chart, pie chart, etc. So to create a chart, the steps are: first is we first need to enter data in a spreadsheet. In this example, we will use the data given in the worksheet shown in the 3.17. So, you have to put some data in your worksheet, like here. This is the picture of some data. Enter the data of 2 test marks of 4 students. Select the range A1 to C5. So, A1 to C5. Then click Insert tab. So first of all, just select the entire this data from A1 to C5. Then click on the Insert tab. In the chart group, click the Insert column chart option. Click Clustered column in the drop down list. It is the first option in the 3D column section. So here you can see that in the chart group, this is the column chart. When you click on the column chart, first click on this. This is the clustered column chart option. Excel display the data in a 2D column chart and place the chart in a box at the center of the worksheet, like here. You can change the size of chart by dragging its corner. You can also move the chart to different place on the worksheet by dragging white background. Next, if you are not sure which type of chart to create, click the recommended chart command. The insert chart dialog box will appear. So, in the figure 1.38, here you can see that this is the recommended chart option. The insert chart dialog box will appear. So this is the insert chart dialog box. The left pane in the dialog box show suggestions of several chart based on the data. So here you can see that this is the left pane. Here you can see all the several chart option based on the data. Select the chart in the left pane and click OK. You can select here and click OK. The chart will be inserted in the worksheet. Next topic is formatting chart. On creating a chart, you will see that two new tabs appear under Chart Tools. Chart Tools tab on the ribbon. They are Design and Format tab. This tab contains a range of options to design and format the chart and its elements so that you can change the look and feel of the chart and make it visually appealing, attractive. So here you can see that when you click on the chart, this chart tool is appear, and under the chart tool there is a design tab and format tab. In the design tab you have many number of chart style. You can select any of this to enhance the look of the chart. Next is design tab. The design tab gives you choice on setting the layout and style of your chart. So that's all for today's class. In the next class, I will discuss about the next topic, which is chart elements. So thank you.